Then we move to the last, okay? The last, we have to welcome the very distinguished professors, here. That Professor Zhu will be the last presenter, okay? But for the last, we just only have 15 minutes, right? So for my presentation, I will go fast like air jet, okay? Because we have a banquet tonight, right? For the invited guests only, okay? So I'm Professor Zhu. We start from the English. We have to end from the English, okay? So we go fast. Okay. It's okay, Dr. Hans? In Chinese or in English? I cannot speak German language, so cannot, sorry, Okay, then I will go to the topic, advanced two-stage anaerobic gas bioenergy technology. We start from English and with the biogas, and then we have to end in English also with biogas, okay? So let's solve the topic. Okay, then I think we have a very big global market in the biogas technology. Like we can get a lot here, but this slide is made from my industry partner, Yong Taifeng, okay? So I have no time to collect this kind of information. I have to say thank you for the Yong Taifeng, okay? So you can see we will get a lot of the bioenergy in the last, like maybe this year and maybe later on to 2050, right? We can get around 1.4 to 1.8 gigawatt in Taiwan. We prepare for this kind of the bioenergy in Taiwan. So I will talk about the technology in Fengsha University, from the waste to bioenergy and to bioeconomy, from lab to commercial, from regional digest to applications. You can see that I already have some collaboration in Southeast country like the Indonesia. We have one of the pilot plant here, and then we also have one of the pilot plant in Khon Kaen University, Thailand. And in Fengsha, we have this one, small hydrogen gas refueling stations. And then we have a small, real size biohydrogen production system in one of the piggy farm located in central Taichung. And then this technology, like Professor Sayu already mentioned, we are from the complex polymer and until to the methane production. Go this pathway, we also can produce the hydrogen. So you can see if we can produce hydrogen here and the methane here, then we can increase the energy recovery. So that's why in Fengsha University, we try to involve the hydrogen fermenter before the methane production. So we can use all kind of the food waste and also bio waste. And then the most important thing is this bacteria. So this bacteria have to, as fat as possible, like me, okay? If the bacteria fat like me, then I will stay in the reactor. I will not overflow with the liquid, right? And then this is the project in Europe with the biohydrogen. A long time ago, 2006 to 2010, they have the big team in the EU, and they studied the biohydrogen under the OECD and then IEA, International Energy Agency. They have one of the big project there. And then next turn, they moved to the the high-tide projects. But I don't know, right now, this project, I think they merged with the fuel cell team. The fuel cell research team. So why we study this one? Because in Fengsha University, we have some of the professors, they study for the wastewater treatment technology. And think about maybe we can try to involve this kind of technology. It's easily. We can make more like paper and also the process development, and then in the future we try to go to commercial like that. So we find that dark fermentation is the best way used to produce the hydrogen. Then in the lab we study the continuous system, and only with the two-stage, right? That's for the single stage produce the methane, then we change to the hydrogen and the methane together. So as you can see, we compare for the single stage for the hydrogen and the methane production. Then the two-stage system can get the higher energy gain. So I think this is the good idea, but some of the researcher and the professor in the world, they will ask why you produce the hydrogen, because maybe methane is better. Yeah, and if you produce hydrogen, you will reduce the methane production, like that. So some of the researchers, like my friend in UK, Alan Gui, he studied the first time to the first stage and two stage, produce hydrogen and methane, and compare each other and find even we produce a little of the hydrogen, but for the second stage, they can increase around 12% of the methane production. Oh, that's quite a good idea. Then we can merge the two-stage system with the hydrogen biogas production system. So for my friend study this one, Alan Gui studied the grass here, and then how about other or maybe co-digestion process like swamp manure mixed with mice, with the waste rice flour or olive pomace waste fruit vegetable. Then my friend in Italy, they study this one and then get the highest energy gain around 8 to 43%. So normally, if we use the two-stage system, then can produce more energy. So in Fongjia, we study from the 1998. My boss studied this one, not me, okay? I'm not so old, yeah. So I'm starting from here. So yeah, for the scale up then I involved into Fongjia University for the continuous system and the high rate hydrogen production system. Then we get the highest hydrogen production, biohydrogen production rate in the paper. And the government from the NSDC and also our university, you are there, right? So we have to donate more money to your team. So we designed this pilot plan with the hydrogen fermenter and also methane fermenter. This is a pilot. I think it's the only one. Right now we run for the two-stage system. And then we also involved a fuel cell car here. Yeah, 10 years ago, we run this one in Fongjia University. But actually, we can make this one real, but cannot go to the commercial. Yeah, still very expensive. So right now, we try to scale up the system. Yeah, based on the scale up strategy. We have to study kinetics, thermodynamic, hydrodynamic modeling, design, and the final selection for the technology. There's from the engineering point of view, science point of view, and also commercial point of view. So for this kind of technology, we publish a lot of paper. And then this is like a kinetic study and a hydrodynamic study. And then we have some like a gas holder study. Then we move to the pilot. So this is also set up in Fongjia University. We have the hydrogen production, methane production, then fixation by the microalgae system. We can get pure hydrogen or methane. It depends the technology. So this is inside hydrogen fermenter, methane fermenter. And then this is outside view for this is 50, right? Fongjia University already 63, right? It means this is 13 years ago. We run this fuel cell car. This is fuel cell university. Oh, no, Fongjia University, okay? This is Fongjia University biohydrogen car. We use this one. And then 6 bottles of this kind of the hydrogen canister can run this car around 150 kilometers. Yeah, so it's quite good that we can demo this one, but until now, we're still not going to the commercials. Yeah, because this system quite expensive still. So this is Professor Lee, right? Dr. Lee is a former president. Actually, at that moment, he is the vice president, not the president. Yeah, after he come to this ceremony, then become the president. But right now already become the former president. Okay. And then we have the commercial system, okay, located in the northern Taiwan. This is hydrogen, this is the methane reactors. We also have some of the hydrodynamic modeling for the 600 cubic meter bioreactor design. So this design is made by the Alice, that's over there. And then we design this one for the process design starting from 0 to 1, okay? So this is a detailed design, and then we try to merge the hydrogen and the methane in the piggy farm. But this is still small, right? Compared to the Germany size, this is still toy, okay? It's still toy, But we try to do this kind of the technology, So I think it's okay. This is the bird view. We see hydrogen and the methane, but this is from the wastewater treatment city in pig farm. And then we use this kind of idea. We go to the Manado city in North Sulawesi, Indonesia, because I met this one, the vice governor, in the APEC meeting. Yeah, I think Dr. Wu also also joined this meeting in Wellington. In APEC EWG 54 meeting. Yeah, so we met then, and they faced a very big problem. In 2014, and then after that, Steve invited us. Me and Dr. Wu. And then we visit North Sulawesi. Then we try to involve this kind of technology in this small village because they relocated the people to another small town, and then we try to give a small electricity and also the gas to the small villages. So we selected this location in the slaughterhouse in the Manado City, so we can produce biogas, bioelectricity, and also biofertilizer. And we try to make this one become the education system, education park, and then we can impact to the community, like the Professor Sayu do that in the northern Thailand. And we make this one, and we not only produce a hyacinth gas, and we also have the biofertilizer. They use the fertilizer for the chili plantation. And then we use the solar panel to dry these chilies and become the powder. Because in Indonesia, if there's no chilies, they cannot eat food. So so the chili is very important, and they can get high price in the economies. Okay, then I visit Europe a lot, and then you can see this. Europe have high efficiency of biogas production system, like Professor Hans also talk about this one. Then maybe we can involve Professor Hans' technology also. So this one, you see, we make some collaboration with University Hong Kong High. This is my student, and many students, okay, visit the Dr. Hans University. So they can use the full-scale system to do the research, but we cannot do that because it's very expensive. Yeah, so maybe we can ask Dr. Hans send some the full-scale system in Fengjian. We can try to set up this one, okay, set up by the Fengjian University. And then I also asked the former president, said that maybe we can invite Dr. Hans as the lecturer in Fengjian after retired. Okay, if you agreed, then please move to Taiwan for the lecture, okay? Then we also have some collaboration with the National Research Council in Italy. Yeah, this is my partner in Italy. He used to be small researcher, but right now become very big leaders in CNR. Yeah, because he just under the director general and under the president of the CNR right now. So he managed around 12,000 researchers in CNR. So we signed the MOU in Fengjiang. This is the president and our chairman here. And Francisco is over here. And then we do some the papers also a lot, and we have the achievement. And then this is our industrial partner design. If we do 2 megawatt of the anaerobic digestion process, it equals 40 megawatt of the photovoltaic solar panels. Also, it's quite good. Maybe we can design this one in the southern part of Taiwan. So we also have some of the pump company can help, like GIS company can help for the dashboard. We make this one. So the last, so this we try to lighten up the light, create hope in the world. Okay, thank you for your listening. Thank you. Any question for the student? You can see we catch the time 5 o'clock. Okay. Any question?